Yeah. So, this is going to be my first video for YouTube. I plan to do many more. And what I have here is just going to be a simple video. It's an iPad that I've done a few times. Keep getting phantom touches on it. You touch on it, the glass is not stuck to the, the iPad like it's supposed to be. Well, I got the right adhesive stuff now, and it's time to take this baby off. And what I've done, since I live in Texas and today is a hot day when you're standing in the sun, I have this thing in the sun covered up, well, just like this. So I have something up under here just to tilt it up towards the sun a little bit, and it's looking like it's already wanting to come apart. So just slides right under. Oh, there's pollen all over it already. Need to just mount this thing to my head. Slide this. Cha-ching. And just like one-handed, no less. I can just pull it up now. Yeah, so easy. So like you can do other things while you're waiting for this. Gosh, it needs a gasket, all kinds of crap. Anyhow, there you go. 1 minute video, 2 minutes, whatever, 3.